Year 2024. NATO OTAN. July 3, Wednesday, 2024. 10:46 p.m. On this day, starts from today, I declare World War III against NATO OTAN and all their allies. To all my royal soldiers, ready. Awu! Awu! I have very lots of intentions, goals, and achievements that needs to accomplish. To all the royals around the world, salute. I am God, Lucifer 27, Death 32 Misaya, Kenneth Fernandez Lamog Pilipino, Dakilang Abnoy of Russia 333, 36 Russians, Pinoy of Philippines. NATO OTAN, hindi ang papatinag sa inyo. NATO OTAN, hinahamon ko kayong lahat, patayin niyo ako. NATO OTAN, officially blowjobber for humanity, year 2024. Salute. Nandidilim paningin ko sa inyo.